there, Laura here with Laura's Crafty Life. Today I'm going to walk you through how to download and install the Cricut Design Space app for desktop. Starting January 29th of 2020, the desktop app will be the only version of Cricut Design Space you can use with your Maker and Explore machines. Prior to this time, you were able to access the program at design.cricut.com. To get started, you're going to want to pull up the download page on your web browser, and I've linked that down below. Right now it's the beta version, and I will make sure to update any links as soon as they go live. Once you're on this page, you're going to simply click the green download button. Once you can see that the app has downloaded, you can either double click on it or you can navigate to your downloads folder and you'll see it in there and you can double click on it from there. Depending on your computer or firewall settings, you may have to click an extra box that says that you trust the application. So go ahead and do that if it asks for that. And now you're going to sign in with your normal Cricut Design Space login. So type in your email and your password and click sign in. Now the app will ask you to set your machine mode, so go ahead and follow the instructions on screen. So now you're going to want to choose which machine you have, either the Cricut Maker or one of the Cricut Explorers. I typically use my Maker even though I have an Explorer also, so I'm just going to click Cricut Maker for right now. So let's talk about a couple differences between the offline desktop version and the online version. You do need an internet connection to be able to download images and Cricut fonts from this program. So for example, if you go to New Project and then click Images, you'll notice that these all say granted. That means that they are available to me because I have a Cricut Access subscription. However, if I want to use them offline with no internet connection, you'll want to click on the image. So normally in the online version, it will pop up this to show you that it's going to be added to your canvas, but now there's also a download button which will download the image to your computer to use offline. You'll follow a similar process to download Cricut fonts onto your computer. If you click on the drop-down menu for fonts, you'll notice next to all of the Cricut fonts, it will show download. All of your system fonts are available for use either online or offline with the program. Another thing to note about the desktop version is that it does not autosave, so be sure to save your project often while you're working on it. To save your project, you simply click Save, give it a name, and click Save. The first time you save a project, it will ask you if you want to save to the cloud and offline or just the cloud only. To change your settings, click on the three lines in the upper corner, click Settings, and then choose whether you want to save it to the cloud and your computer or the cloud only. If you've been using the online version of Cricut Design Space, you probably have many projects that are saved to the cloud. To access these, you simply click Projects, click My Projects, and it will pull up all of the projects that you've made that are saved to the cloud. You can then go and choose which ones you want to save for offline to use when you don't have an internet connection. And then of course, all of your projects are available if you are connected to the internet while using the Design Space app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel to get more Cricut Design Space Basics tutorials each week.